What if I told you there's a secret ingredient, a simple amendment, that could revolutionize your garden? Not a fancy fertilizer or hybrid, but something you might already have in your pantry. The hidden power of activated charcoal can transform your soil and plants like never before. Activated charcoal is different from normal coal. It's super porous, meaning it absorbs toxins, balances soil, and stores water and nutrients, giving your plants the healthiest environment to grow. How to use it in soil. Simply crush it into small pieces or powder. And bury it a few inches deep near your plant roots. This improves drainage, prevents rot, and boosts root health instantly. Water mix fertilizer. You can also make a quick liquid fertilizer. Just mix 1 spoon of charcoal powder in a liter of water, stir well, and pour near the roots. This feeds your plants slowly, filters toxins, and keeps the soil balanced. So whether you bury it or water it in, activated charcoal gives your plants a natural shield and supercharged growth. Try it once, and you'll never garden without it again.